Good morning. Today is June 5th. So let's see what Cardano ADA USDT has to say, because seems like we are in the same approach or market like Solana. Okay, so Cardano is pretty much the same, I would say, because one thing I see clearly is that we have a huge down pressure for the last 4 weeks. Okay, but at 0.7 is we have a huge upside pressure because of the demand zone. The second upside pressure, which is the demand zone again, is at 0.64, 63, 64 on the weekly chart. As you can see, this first level isn't pushing too high, but we could see that 2 weeks ago, as soon as it touched these levels, it went up, then pushed down again. So this worked, but didn't work the way it was a continuation. And what I see is that if Bitcoin doesn't break the 100K level, everything we see here, it's gonna just go up, okay? If it breaks the 100K level and goes to 97K, then these levels are worthless, and we should be expecting 50% decrease in price, where it can reach to 0.4 levels to the Cardano. But for now, I see it like having a balanced pressure between sellers and buyers. So there isn't really a big deal here what we can see on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, in the other hand, I can see the following. So we have a nice and clean supply zone at the level of 0.74, okay, which in case it reaches this level, I'm gonna short it on the daily chart, or I'm gonna just buy at this level where we have a very nice demand zone here. What I'm expecting today is Cardano to just break this level, because you can see that we have nice demand zone as well here that spiked here, but definitely this level isn't pushing high. And with the last daily candle, which was yesterday's candle, you can see how nicely closed with the whole body pointing down, which is a continuation. For me, at least, it's 100% continuation pattern, because we have the weekly chart, the daily chart, the candles pointing down. What I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna wait to reach this level to buy, but I'm gonna find a perfect spot to short it, because let me just zoom in. Look what we have. So we have 1, 2, 3 candles pushing up. Okay, you see the tails here like this, and really the market couldn't push it up. So we had a very nice reversal candle down, okay, and with the reversal candle down, we got yesterday a very nice continuation of the price going down. Like I said, that Bitcoin is gonna fall. It took along with all the other coins, top coins, which isn't a very big surprise. So the good part is that we have this candle down, right? And we have this candle up trying to push it somewhere. But because of the pressure already is down on the overall market, with Bitcoin included, what I'm gonna see, and I found already a good supply zone, is here. So it's here, the supply zone, and here what I can say is the following. Look, pay attention. We have the weekly charts pushing down. We have a very nice supply zone. This is the smaller zone, which is the best zone, but again, we have a bigger zone, which somehow we can see that it touched here. And I'm not sure if it's gonna go up or not. But if Bitcoin goes up, it's gonna go up, and I'm gonna short this. And by shorting this, look, the potential we have. Just let me get rid of this one. So short position here and like this. So we have a risk ratio of 1 to 4.7, almost 5. Meaning that if I risk $100 here, okay, so my stop is going to be here. If I risk only $100, potentially I can get $500 out of this trade. The same applies to $10,000. If you are risking here, you can get $5,000 or $50,000. Doesn't really matter. So just consider this, because this setup seems like close to perfect. So I'm really waiting this level to be touched. Not after the big zones here get touched, then it's gonna be retracing here. Not. I'm talking about today. If today I see touching this level, this is a gold mine opportunity to sell. At least for me, okay? Do your own research, but for me, this is a gold mine. So that's pretty much all. I see the markets going down, bleeding yet, not a big spiking or sparkling all the way with the blood, but I see it going down. That's all. Consider subscribing if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next one. Thank you.